And welcome back again. Thank you so much for clicking on. This is Lily, and I'm going to show you another mining system. This is amazing. Look, I'm just finding so many right now that I want to share it with you. I want to thank you guys again, and please just stay on through this video and let me explain to you how this TRX is going to work for you. Okay, so what we're going to go through it with you with this one. What we do is we're going to go to your wallet. You have a wallet, you go to the wallet and collect what they call, oh, let me click onto the wallet. Now here we go. Just like phone companies, they have different brands, with whichever country you're from. Okay, so in New Zealand, we have Spark, we have Vodafone, and 2 degrees. So this one here, we're looking now for TRX, which is right here. Don't click onto any other coins but the TRX. Okay, so we go across here to deposit, and you could have also what it would show up as, what is it? So deposit right here, we're going to click onto that. Now this is where you're going to get your link from here. Right, there we go. Now, as you can see, TRX is right there. So yes, we're selecting the network, like I told you, it was just like phone companies. So this is TRX here. We're going to click the link. We're going to come across here. Now you copy this. You copy it right. Click and copy. And now you're going to take it back to where our machine is mining. Now right here, we're going to click onto it and copy. Okay, we're going to paste. There it is. Now, once you have that on, you just click go. And what this does is identify who you are, because every single one of us, well, there's so many people that are mining on this system right now, that this machine needs to identify who you are. So now you're there, this is you. So every time you're going to go in, you're going to do the same thing. You'll have to go in and get your code, and then bring it back onto the machine here, which will start mining. Look at that. Did you see the numbers when we first started? And look at that now. So this is another form of, like, we know Bitcoin, right? This is TRX, cryptocurrency. And look how fast this one is going. Isn't that amazing? I'm amazed at all these things that I am finding online. And I have someone that is actually helping me as well. That's my husband. So, but I wanted to share this with you because I think it's amazing, that I think everyone should get on top of this and start mining for your coins, because when the time comes, you are already set up to collect. How's that? It's just wonderful, isn't it? To be mining for cryptocurrencies, and it's all for free. When you join, everything is free. But just like anything else, if you wanted to go faster, I guess you could start, putting some money to it, and then it will work for you really fast. So there you go. This is exactly what I wanted to show you today, and I'm so amazed by it, that I'm happy. I'm happy to see this working so well. Now I know you guys are going to find it exciting once you join, once you start. That's the only thing I can show you right now, but I would like you to, if there's any questions, just to leave it below this video of mine, and I will try and answer it for you. But do click back onto my next videos and subscribe to my page, because that's how you're going to pick up more and more things that we're going to find out. So thank you. Thank you guys for coming along and joining me with my videos again. I must say, look at all those amazing numbers that are moving. All right, so we also hear these, see how this is showing up right now since I put my link through there. So you've got the deposit there, you've got withdrawal and referrals and support. See, everything is here for you. There is someone that can help you through it if you don't understand it. So just click onto these buttons right here, and they will help you out. Amazing, what I might not know. So it's all new to me. So it's just new to me, as new as it is to you. So thank you again for joining me on this page. It's wonderful, so wonderful to see you again. We'll catch you later on my next video. Bye for now.